Yes. Let's say today or in the afternoon, I want to use my current computer and try some stuff online, maybe Solidity or any other thing. Can I do it, or do I need a special, very powerful machine?
Okay, if you want to do mining on Bitcoin, it's really difficult to do it now because okay. I won't say impossible, but you would need very high computing power. Why? Because the concept behind it's like there are a lot of earlier it would like some 5 to 6 years back you could do it using your PC. You could do the mining, you could calculate the hash, but right now there are a lot of people competing to each other, and the one with more computing power would actually be the one who's going to get rewarded by getting rewarded. I mean, get like maybe 0.001 BTC. You could do it actually. You could set it up. You don't really have a requirement, a baseline requirement as such. You can do it. I would say nowadays, or you can do it on a mobile phone, right? You don't really need much computing power as such to do it. But like I'm saying, eventually you would get the hash, but definitely there would be other like people who would already have calculated it before you. So it's actually if you're getting into it now, it's a bit difficult. But there's like there are other like coins which you could actually get into, but yeah, now it's a bit difficult now, I would say, if you want to get rewarded if you're mining.
Yeah,
Right,
but
it's
yes, let's say I want to do an app in Mauritius, so I have so many ideas actually.
mhm.
Let's say I want to use blockchain technology to
Yeah.
do, so I need someone to clean my house. Not only me, but I know this is very in demand, like a maid servant or something, because we all work, we don't have time to clean our house. So, is there a way to apply this blockchain technology? Maybe I don't know, a web application or mobile application. For example, I want to book someone to do that. Why I'm asking you that is because we want to have people who are trustworthy as made people, as a someone who clean. Because if you are not here, this person comes and might steal. So, is it possible to have this blockchain technology applied to having this trustworthiness?
Okay. Definitely you can actually okay, if you want, like, you can use it in the sense that if you want to do rating of that cleaning person, like of that cleaner. So say now if you want to have like the transparency and like say the reviews, I would say it's maybe on the reviewing side of that cleaner that could actually uh, you could use blockchain actually to get that transparency. What I mean is that say currently, if you use existing database and also I have like I'm friend with someone, the cleaner, and I want to give him like I own the database, I own everything, I could easily just do him a favor. I could like increase his rating, right? Just get some random people just to give him a thumbs up, whatever, increase his rating. Okay, but now what you could actually do in that sense is okay, put that person like I would say his details on blockchain. That's personal. You can encrypt the details and put it and give him his wallet, and then what you could actually do, you could make that transaction would be a person sending a thumbs up to that person. That's a transaction. So from me, Samin, I would actually use your app, and there's a transaction being me sending a funds up to that particular cleaning person would be a transaction on chain, right, on blockchain. So that would be the underlying transaction. Hence, you would actually know exactly, you won't know, people saying, the transaction won't know it's me who did it, but they would actually have my wallet address who actually rated that person. I won't say rating, but I would say send a thumbs up to that person. So that is a transaction that you could actually use, and you could then now, depending on the count, you could actually also write a smart contract to give you the rating of based on the amount of thumbs up that you've got, that person got. We could actually get an algorithm, in fact, to just display this rating or whatever. That's something that you could do.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
that sounds,
yeah.
sorry, that sounds really interesting. I think we've kind of come up with three main points. What is blockchain from your point of view, Samin? What are the benefits of blockchain? And we've talked a bit around the requirement to be a blockchain developer. Just wanted to recap on the last one. We've talked about the development around the smart contract. It was on 2 3 years. The focus now has been shift to JavaScript. We can do it on Solidity. You've talked about start with the basic like Solidity. That's one of your advice here. You also talk about try to develop your own token. We've talked about mining. Right now it's having high computing power, but to start coding with it, I don't think we need a lot.